Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the WordPress. So today we are going to learn how to fetch the featured image of your custom post type. Okay, so how we are going to get this one? So you can see that we have a materials, then we have the edit this one, and we were going to set the featured image first. So upload the files, select the files, then we can add the how to take the photo using the React Native Vision camera. So I'm adding this image and set this featured image. Let's save this one and try to check, and here you can see that we have get fetch the featured image. So how we are going to do this one? Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my videos. So let's get started. So the simple method is the has post thumbnail. Okay, this is the method for the guest post. So if you check, we have to check has post thumbnail. If it has, then we have to echo the thumbnail, else we are not going to check the thumbnail. So this is the method, has post thumbnail, get the post thumbnail, echo the thumbnail. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.